Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I don't have any makeup on. I'm just, natural today. So I hope I don't scare you guys. But anyway guys, as you can see by the title below, it's gonna be a different kind of video. It's gonna be a get rid of my makeup and organizing video. So if you like this kind of videos, please subscribe. I do also other kind of videos like makeup, anything related to makeup and beauty, fashion and hauls. So if you new to my channel, please subscribe. That makes me really happy, and comment down below, like this video, and also follow me on Instagram at beautyme360. Over there I can interact more often with you guys. And that's it, so let's get started. The first one is from Physicians Formula. It's the concealer highlighter. And back at the time when I bought it, I was just starting to start liking makeup and into makeup, and I bought it, and because I thought it was so cute, the packaging, and I want to just appreciate that pretty packaging, and this is the one I'm talking about. And I thought it was so pretty, and I never took out of the box, and I was just putting it as a display because it's so pretty. It's so pretty. So it's about time to take the nut out of the box and throw the box away, because I don't have too many space in my bedroom anymore. Like I told you guys before, I live with my aunt, so it's hard to keep everything here. So yeah, so let's take out of the box. But it's so pretty. Let me open. I like the rose gold. It's like rose gold bows, it's so pretty. So bye box. This is how it looks like. It's so pretty. Oops, let me take it out. It's so pretty, guys. I love this packaging. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. This is the best that I can do so far right now. So this is how it looks like, and it's a rose gold. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is gonna be hard to see it with this lighting, but it's so pretty. I don't even know if the concealer is still working. Oh, that's how it is. So yeah, I don't know, I'm just gonna keep it as a display, because I don't want to use it. Look how pretty is this. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So yeah, I'll keep this too in the box, throwing away. I have the bags in here, Sephora bag. I put everything like inside the bags, and so most are like high-end makeup. Oh, I got this one. I don't remember what year. It's the Urban Decay Little Vice, I think a lipstick. I don't know if I'm gonna throw this box away, guys. I'm gonna keep it because it's so cool. But I'm gonna take the lipsticks out of the box. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at these lipsticks. Look at this packaging. It's so pretty. And these are all the colors. So should I take it out? Should I throw the box away? And what should I do? Look at this. Look how pretty it is. This packaging, gold, and those are mini lipsticks. Look at these lipsticks. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna take all, look like little bullets, seriously. But I'm gonna take all these lipsticks, and I'm gonna keep the box in somewhere, but these are all the colors. It's so pretty. So I'll keep that in some other place. I'm gonna keep this box. This is from Too Faced. I always get it every end of the year. They have like the holiday gift set, but I don't think I can I can throw this box away, guys. I can't. I don't know. I think I'm gonna just leave like this for now. I'm not gonna even take them out of the box. Maybe I should, huh? What's the point to keep it? I don't know. I think I'm just gonna leave inside the box and put it up there on my cubicle thing there, as a display. I love it. The packaging is so pretty. Next is Low Rack, and I got this Mod Goddess Alter Ego lipstick set, and these are the colors. This one for sure I'm gonna take out of the box, and I'm gonna keep the lipsticks, of course. I think I bought it last year, before last year. They're all pretty too. The packaging is just to die for, you know. Look at this packaging. They are like light pink, and it's so pretty. The lipsticks are so pretty too. Look at this. So far I have those birthday gift, month birthday gift set, and I don't remember what year it was, but I love this. This was on, I think this was on one of my favorites so far, you know, as a gift from my birthday that I got. And I love tart stuff, so the box is gonna go away and I'll keep the products, of course. Those are just like this. There are minis, you know. One is the lip paint and the blush party. This is the one. It's so pretty. I love this. And the mini size are so cool because you can take when you're traveling, you know. Perfect size. So for sure I'm gonna keep it, but the box is gonna go away. Next is also the birthday, you know, gift from Sephora, from the Beauty Insider, and this is from Bite, and I don't remember what year it was. This is a pretty good one too. Comes with the matte cream lip crayon, lipstick, and the lip balm. So for sure the box is gonna go away. I'm gonna throw away, and I'm gonna keep all the goodies inside. So this is the lip balm, lip crayon, and lipstick. The lipstick's really pretty too. It's a mini size. So if you don't know, my birthday month is May, so I'm Gemini. So that's what I got. Next was the other Too Faced holiday gift set, and this is so cute, guys. I cannot throw away. I cannot throw away the box. I'm gonna keep as like this, just as display. The next one is from Kate Von D and Formula X nail polish. I don't even know if they still exist. So for sure this one I'm gonna throw the box away and keep the lipsticks and the nail polishes if they still good. That's how they are. Pretty nail polish. They're still good. So keeping the nail polishes, there are like mini sizes. So I have that dark color, this other color, and this, you know, nude color. And the lipsticks are like this. They're pretty packaging, and they are mini, so keeping those still smelling good, like vanilla. This is the other one, dark vampy color, and this is also darker, almost black, vampy color. So the box is gonna go away. Next one is from Buxton, and I think this is like, this one I got when it was Christmas. It says bundle up baby. So for sure I'm gonna throw the box away, and I'm gonna keep the products. It comes with the lipstick, eyeliner, and the eyeshadow. So that's how it is. So the eyeshadow is really pretty, but it's like mini size. And the lipstick is pretty color too, like nude rose color. And the eyeliner. So pretty good. Keep the products. And the next one is from Buxton, and I probably got this one for a holiday gift set too, and comes with lipstick, lip cream, and waterproof eyeliner. And same thing, I'm gonna throw the box away and keep all the goodies inside. I don't know if it's still smelling good. And this is the crayon. So, and the eyeliner. So I'm gonna keep all this. This one probably I got, it's a holiday gift too, and it's from the Too Faced. It comes with the liquefied melted lipstick and the blushes. They are so pretty. 3 gifts in one, none for you, all for me. This is how they look like. This one I'm not gonna keep the box because it's just normal. So I'm gonna keep all the products, and the box is gonna be in the trash. It's pretty, but I have so many things. Oh, this is like if you're gonna give the gifts. It's pretty though, but I mean, it's not pretty enough to keep it. That's what I'm saying. But it's so pretty. Look at that. There's a mini size too. So I'm gonna throw this away. Look at that. This is so pretty. One it says melted peony and justify my love. Look at that. Oh my god, this is so precious. Yeah, I can throw the box away because the packaging here is much prettier. So that's one. This is a different color. This is in melted nude and love hangover. Look at this. How pretty is this? Like coral color. Man, I love this. And this is the last one. And this is in melted fig and your love is king. Look how pretty is that. Look. Yeah, keeping those. This is so pretty. I don't even want to use it, just to keep it. Okay, this shoe is also from Kat Von D, and the Formula X, the lipstick, and also the nail polish. And it's a big box, but I'm gonna keep just the things inside, so that way I can make more space to put something else. Let's see. They're all mini too. Is the lipstick, dark rampy color, red, and the nail polish, and this one, same thing. There are mini sizes. So this is the pretty color though, and this is the lipstick. This is a different color though. Like lavender, lilac. Next one is Smashbox Be Legendary Lipstick Duo, and I'm gonna keep the products, but I'm gonna throw the box away. So got these 2 goodies. This is how they look like. Oops. Nothing really fancy, but the colors are so pretty. Lots of nude colors. This is dark. So keeping this, and this bag's done. And also have this box. I mean this bag. It's a Lorac. I'm probably gonna keep it. I have 2 lipsticks from Lorac, the Alter Ego lipsticks. So I guess I've thrown away the box. I mean, I don't need the box anymore. This is how it looks like. And this was when I started with makeup too, you know. I think this was my first high-end brand that I bought back that time. Yeah, so back that time I really liked the colors, you know, the matte lipsticks. So keep it. And I know this bag, this was the set that came with that back that time. I think it was like close to Valentine's Day, I don't remember, but it comes with eyeliner. I mean, yeah, eyeliner, and this is also eyeliner, but like glitter eyeliner. Yeah, it's really pretty that time. The Baked Bronzer Tantalizer, so pretty. Oh, I forgot how they open. I think like this. Yeah, so pretty highlighter, I mean bronzer. So, and they come with the lip gloss in peach luster, so pretty too. And Girl Next Door lipstick Alter Ego, so pretty color. They used to have so many good looking, you know, so many nice colors that time. And this was inside this bag, so I'm gonna keep the bag. I guess that's it for now. Let me see if I can find anything else that I might wanna keep it. Okay, I found another one, two more. One is from Too Faced, Love at First Kiss, and this is so pretty. I remember buying this and it was so pretty. It was a Sephora, and it's about the same thing than the other ones, the mini size, but this is so cute. Look at this, it's so cute. And then it's the same one that I have, Love Hangover, so I have two. It's cool. So this is the color, and the lipstick is so pretty. It's called the Naked Dolly. Look at this packaging. I love Too Faced packaging, you know, back at the time. I don't know if they still have this kind of lipstick, but it's a nude beautiful color. This is the, yeah, Naked Dolly. So pretty. And also from Too Faced, Lashes Love and Lipstick. This is how it looks like. Man, I love this little, you know, kind of gifts like this. And this is so pretty too. Comes with this tree. And this is Your Love is King, another one. So I have two, I have double. I'm happy. And they have the Melted Matte, and this is in the color It's Happening, I think. And Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. It, guys, for these kind of sets that I used to have, you know, and that will make me a little room for more stuff. Just throwing the boxes away is already saved me some space. And that's what we went down to. Let's see if I can get the, so that's how we came down to. So I have to just organize this in the drawers. So that's it, guys. You know, now without the boxes I already saved some space for the new things that I'm probably gonna have it. So yeah, so that's good thing here. So hope you guys like this kind of video. It's just like a random video, you know. I might do this, you know, once in a while because I need more space, you know, for me. But I hope you guys like it, and if you like it, and you know, if you thought it was interesting, just thumbs up, and I see you guys next time. Bye, guys.